this is Bill from Bill and Abby's Box Breaks. We started doing some videos yesterday with The Walking Dead that we had bought. I said in one of the videos I had bought a lot of the Undisputed. I broke probably about a case of the 2015-2016 Undisputed boxes. And I know it's not a box break, but I just wanted to give you a peek at some of the stuff that we had pulled out of the boxes. Two cards I did pull. One was an Alexa Bliss printing plate, numbered 1 of 1. I sold that on eBay, and I also pulled a Finn Balor autographed printing plate relic, 1 of 1, and I also sold that one on eBay. I should have kept them, but I was using that money to put towards the new 2017 boxes that are coming in. But some of the other better stuff that I got, Trish Stratus, numbered 3 of 10 gold. Bailey, number 2 of 25 blue. One of the prettiest cards I think I've seen. The blue is just awesome, the way it brings out the cards. Dean Ambrose, blue relic. And a Sting, number 17 of 25 blue. Some of the other ones, I'm not going to show. I pulled a bunch of common, autographs too. I'm just going to show you some of the numbered ones. Got a Booker T and Stevie Ray Family Ties autograph. A Brie Bella numbered to 50. A Cesaro numbered to 50. A Cesaro relic numbered to 50. A lot of Cesaro. A lot of Cesaro and a lot of Roman Reigns in these boxes. Gold Dust numbered to 50. Roman Reigns 2-color patch numbered to 50. An Asuka numbered to 50. And some of the 2015 stuff, I got a Finn Balor rookie, numbered to 50, black. A Kevin Owens, numbered to 50, black, rookie. A Charlotte, numbered to 99. A Lita, numbered to 99. A Braun Strowman, who's starting to heat up, number 1 of 99. Kofi Kingston, 42 of 99. And Enzo Amore, 53 of 99, who they just split up him and Big Cass. So it'd be interesting to see what they do with this now. I hope they don't have a feud with the two of them, because if they do, Enzo is in for a rude awakening. That he's just too small and Big Cass is too big. I just don't see anything happening with that feud if that's the way they end up going. So, yeah, I got a few other ones. Roman Reigns, numbered to 99. A Baron Corbin patch, numbered to 99. And a couple of the common ones, the base ones. I got a Becky Lynch and a Daniel Bryan. I really like those two. And then just a ton of the base autos. And that's about it. I mean, we're going to bust probably about 4 or 5 boxes of the 2017 when it comes in. And hopefully we get some Undertakers and some Alexa Blisses. Hopefully, I know Undertaker's in it, but Alexa Bliss I'm hoping is in it, because that's my favorite diva. And I'm hoping to get a couple of her autographs. That would be nice. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.